Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Dazzling Rainbow. We are all in the Christmas month, right? I'm so excited about this because I love Christmas a lot, and there will be cutie Santa, presents, dazzling lights, decorations, and finally Christmas trees. Now we are all going to do Christmas DIY things in the following weeks. Finally, today we are going to do our last Christmas DIY. It's nothing but Christmas tree. I'm going to use the cardboard in this size. You can use any thick cardboards. First, make the center origin point, and from that origin mark points at 2 centimeters on both sides. If you want to make thick rings, just make point at 3 to 4 centimeters. Draw a circle by using compass. It should join the first point near origin. Do the same for other points too. Cut these ring shapes with the help of cutter. Using scissor is little bit tough and it may sometimes cut the joints of the rings. I didn't cut the first circle because we need the base to be wide. Use this kind of large needles and threads. Make sure it must be so strong. Now I am going to make the holes at 4 sides of each rings. Before that, mark where you want to hole to make sure it's all perfectly straight. I will insert this thread in this way, one after another in size wise. You can also use this aluminium strings, but it's difficult to handle alone. For the base, I have used this big size flower pot with sand and then placed a stick in it. First I join the 4 side thread like this, and then I am going to plaster the first small circle on the stick strongly. Leave some extra thread at top. Now insert all the rings one by one. Thread itself can hold the rings tightly. Suppose if you have put big holes by mistake, don't worry, just use tape at the bottom of the ring and stick it with rope. Hang the towel with some uniform heights. Before placing the decorating things, fix the lights, which is heavy. I use multicolor light. Just watch, wire should be outside of the rope and drop the bulbs inside of the ring. By this it will not slip. These are the little tricks to make it stay at same place while decorating. Take this kind of party wall hangings in silver color or white color. I fold a single piece as two pieces by holding the middle portion. Now at second ring, insert the silver hanging from one side of one thread to another side of the same thread. It's so lightweight. Do it for the other two. By this we will get 8 rows. Now place the same silver hangings between each 2 rows by placing at top of the tree. Tie this with the top thread. To hide the gaps, again do the first method at a third ring. I made all these Christmas ornaments by myself. Try to do this with your all family members to get some wonderful holiday fun times. I hooked everything. I'm going to use these LED fairy lights. They are battery operated. I got 8 colors as combo in Amazon. Just fix them around the trees. First try with fairy lights only. It looks so magical. And this is with both inner and outer lights. This is my first design. My dad gifted this cutie lamp for this Christmas. Now for the second one, use bright color decors. Can you remember we already placed 2 layers at the most top ring by overlapping method. Do the same. Fold the single piece as 2. Put one color at left and right side of the tree. Now place the another color at front and back. I think now you are all clear about this. If you like, you can use same color. This design make the tree colorful and big. For the third design, I took out the color layers and used these thin silk decoration ropes. It's so soft. Tie it at the top. Now wrap the rope around the tree like this. Every line should be straight. Connect the ropes how much you want till the last ring. Let's move on to the fourth one. Just place the same red color rope on the third design by left, right, and front and back method. We got 4 rows around it. Now place same red color between each as usual. This checked design will become wide from top to bottom. Okay, lights off. Oh, it's so lovely. I loved this design very much with the red and rose effect. You can use remote light to control the light colors. I don't like to take this design, but I have to do. For the fifth one, wrap the blue color silk rope in slanting effect. Actually, I forget to take the picture without the surrounding light. Sorry. Then for the sixth one, wrap the another blue rope in opposite direction of the first one. First one is wrapped in anti-clockwise direction. Uh, Now wrap the second one in clockwise direction. This diamond shaped design is ready for dazzling. First I said pink and red light, then I said blue and green light. It looks like frozen ice, right? This is the last design by using the silk rope. I choose green color. You don't need to buy all these colors, just pick your favorite color and do these designs alternatively. Our last and final design is floating tree. First fix the dazzle layer inside two layer of one rope. After circling, wrap it at one side of the rope and take that at other side of that rope. Place this connected side at back side of the tree. Let's hook the ornaments at the cardboard rings. I use this hook for my ornaments instead of traditional rope because by this we can easily hang any ornaments for any tree designs. It's not so good with fairy lights only. For final touches, fill the top of the flower pot with colorful layers. Then do the same to hide supporting stick. Guys, can you see? I hang all the themed big Christmas balls at center which we made in our previous videos. If you didn't watch that, please go and check out my previous videos in my channel. Ball with the theme or at center. I'm so happy about this tree making. I think my cutie lamp also feel happy about this Christmas tree. I hope you all enjoyed this video. For more content like this, subscribe Dazzling Rainbow and click the bell icon for notifications. If you like this video, leave a like and share with your friends and family. Thank you guys. Happy Christmas.